Luxury design, there are some practical benefits to the high cost of this phone.
The metal on this is made of aerospace grade titanium, which is basically indestructible. It's been tested, you drop it 7 stories and it didn't break or scratch or damage.
That's right, the body is made out of the same alloy that NASA builds its spaceships with. And the screen is unscratchable as well, made out of special sapphire glass. On the back and sides of the phone, blended in for that perfect grip, is fine Italian leather. Think of this phone as your personal assistant. It comes with a 24-hour concierge service that you can use to book airplane tickets for you, look up any information you might need, or they will even try to get you on the list for those hard-to-get-into popular nightclubs. Think 5,000 is a lot for a cell phone? Well, the Ascent is the entry level to the Virtue. If you are willing to order from overseas, that's where you can find the real luxury in Virtue's Signature series. This one with yellow gold buttons costs $18,000. Or if you prefer platinum buttons, it will cost you $30,000. For $40,000, there is this model that lines the screen on either side with 943 small cut diamonds. But if you want the ultimate bragging rights, this is the Signature Cobra, coming in at $310,000. Only 8 of them are being made. The Cobra features 1 pear-cut diamond, 1 round white diamond, 2 emerald eyes, and 439 rubies.